Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Thank you so much for checking it out. I really appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about doing product research using Amazon as your database to see if we can actually find some products to test on Shopify. And these products must also be available from AliExpress, of course, since we are doing dropshipping on Shopify from AliExpress. Alright, so that is what tonight's video is about. But before I actually get started to show you guys exactly what you need to do and how I do it, I just want to say to you guys who are absolutely new to my channel, my name is Kurt Buchanan and thank you so much for checking out my content. I really do appreciate it. On my channel, I teach you guys how to really make money online using Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and I teach a host of different internet marketing stuff. So if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel and you're interested in learning this kind of content, please go ahead and get subscribed to my channel. Alright, so with that said, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I do product research using Amazon. And the reason why Amazon is really good for doing product research is that Amazon is the largest physical products database in the Western Hemisphere. So whilst in China you have Alibaba and AliExpress, for us who live in the West, Amazon is our physical products database. Of course, you need to have your Amazon account. You want to have your AliExpress window open as well. Alright, so let's go to Amazon.com. And once we're here, you want to go to best sellers. So the URL is amazon.com/best-sellers/ZGBS. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you guys don't have to worry too much about that. You can just click the link and be taken directly to this page. Alright, so I do want you guys to pay a little bit of attention on this page so I can show you a few things that you need to be mindful of. Alright, so as you can see, by default we are here on this tab that says best sellers, but you have 4 different tabs here that says new releases, which is also a good place to look for new products that may be trending. Movers and shakers is actually going to show you products that are trending upwards in Amazon. You have most wished for items, so persons are wishing for these items. Good for ideas again, and gift ideas as well. You also need to be mindful that Amazon is giving you some information right here, which is saying that our most popular products are based on sales. So these products are actually proven to have been selling, and this is updated every single hour. So if you come here now and you find a product on this front page, which is at number 5, someone that comes a couple of hours later may see a different product, and that is why it's really good. It's a really good place to get product ideas because it's very dynamic and the products are forever updating. Alright, so number 1 product may be number 1 product for a while, so you may want to scroll through to see if you can get different ideas for products that are coming up in the rankings. Alright, so once you're here, what I usually do is to actually just look for my niche. If your Shopify store is in a niche, you want to look for your niche on this left side here. If you're running a generic store, then you can just select niche at random and try to identify products in these areas that you may be able to find and test in your Shopify store. So for this tutorial, let's do pet supplies. For most of my tutorials, I seem to do pet supplies. It's a popular niche, and that is the reason why I tend to stick to it for doing tutorials. Alright, so on this here, pet supplies, you want to see if you can identify any pet supply that may be coming out of China. Alright, so some items you will be able to immediately identify as not drop shippable, such as Arm & Hammer. This is actually not coming from China. So you may be able to identify some brands. So you want to look for unbranded items that you may be able to find on AliExpress. So I'm just going to click and scroll through. You may be able to find this item, but it's not an interesting item to me. I may not want to drop ship that item in my store, so I'll just continue looking. So items such as these are items that are interesting, that are drop shippable, that you can drop ship in your AliExpress, in your Shopify store. So this item here, which is a clipper, this item here, which is a shovel sifter for your cat litter. It's a cool product. So those are the kind of items you want to look for on Amazon bestsellers to see if you can actually dropship. So I actually like this item. It says pet grooming brush. It's here on Amazon for $14.97. 1443 reviews. I'm gonna search AliExpress to see if I can actually find this product and to see if the price is competitive and if it's an item that I could actually test in my Shopify store. So it's a pet grooming brush. Let's search for pet grooming brush, see if we could find that item. All right, so as you can see here, AliExpress is loading, and immediately I am able to identify that exact product here that is over here on Amazon, and it's selling for $14.97. And as you can see here, we could actually get this item from AliExpress for 656 to 895. I think it goes maybe by the color, or the pricing is different, and it's free with e-packet. So we could actually possibly dropship this item. We won't be making a lot of profit if we wanted to compete with Amazon, but as you can see, we found a best-selling item here on Amazon, and we also found the exact item on AliExpress. So if I wanted to, I could go ahead and push this item to my Shopify store, and start testing this product. All right, so that is basically the method, and you keep doing that to see as to find as many products that as you can as it relates to bestsellers. All right, so let's check out some of the other tabs that you can actually find here on Amazon to see if we can actually find another product in another category um, to test. So we were just in bestsellers. That's where we actually found this grooming brush that looks very interesting, but we could actually go to movers and shakers. That is the second best place. I think that's exactly where I like to go to see if I can find products that are actually trending upwards in the Amazon search rankings. So I'm going to go back to pet supplies and just have a look around to see if there is any other product in pet supplies that looks interesting that I may want to search for on AliExpress to see if we can actually find a supplier and to find it for a good price. Alright, so this is a number one item in movers and shakers right now. It is saying pet grooming gloves. Looks pretty interesting. Let's see if we can find pet grooming gloves here and to see what price we can actually find this item for. Alright, so if the price is comparable, if it has good enough room where we can mark it up and make a decent amount of margin, then it means that it's a good product for us to test in our Shopify store. So let's see what we can find as it relates to pet grooming gloves. Usually I want to find the exact item or something that's very similar to it. So as you can see here, let's see if we can find that. So I'm seeing some pet grooming gloves, but I'm not seeing that exact match. Maybe it's there, but we could continue looking to see if we could find this exact pet grooming gloves. This actually looks pretty sturdy. It looks of a higher quality than the one that I'm seeing here on AliExpress. Alright, but that's basically what we do. Scroll through to see if we could find that exact pet grooming gloves and to see what price we can actually find it for. If not, we could possibly find another pet grooming glove for a good price and see if we could actually market that product as well. Alright, so some other products here. Sifter. This sifter looks pretty interesting. Sifter with deep shovel. Let's see if we could find that here. Deep shovel. Alright, so guys, I hope you're getting this picture. That is basically how you can use Amazon to get really good product ideas to test in your Shopify store. So these products, as you can see, have proven data. So it has sales data, and that is basically what you really need to find to know that a product is a good product to test. Alright, so as you can see, I'm finding one sifter here. It's not the exact thing, it's a little different, very much different, but it's a sifter nonetheless, and the price is too high, so this may not be a good product for us to use at this point. But we could continue our search, all right, to see if we could actually find this exact product, because I'm sure maybe it's there, I don't know. All right, so you get the idea, guys. That is exactly how you can do it, and you could keep going through to see as many products as you can find in your niche. It doesn't have to be pet supplies. You could do any niche here to see if you can find products in movers and shakers. All right, so not only do you have bestsellers and movers and shakers, as I pointed out earlier, you actually also have most wished for items, which is actually a really good place for you to look again. All right, so most wished for items are persons actually clicking on these items on Amazon as wished for items. So these items have been added to wish list multiple times And as you can see here, these are some of the items, so you could research these items on AliExpress as well. And if you can actually find these items, these would be good items for you to test as well in your Shopify dropshipping store. All right, so I'm not going to ramble on too much. Hope you guys got the picture, the point I was trying to get across to you guys. And really hope this video was informative for you guys and eye-opening, so you can go ahead and use Amazon to actually do product research to see if you can find good quality products to test in your Shopify store. Okay, so at this point, I basically just want to say thank you so very much for watching. If you want to learn more about dropshipping on Shopify, you can watch the next video. I'm going to invite you as well to check out the links in the description. I have a Facebook mastermind group in there, and it's doing very, very well. And whenever I'm not uploading to YouTube, that's where I'm at, dropping gems to help you guys actually succeed online. So thanks once again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.